Viewers, so welcome as you work out this maths problem within the shortest time possible. So make sure you watch this video up to the end. So we have 4 to the power of x is equals to 100. So now how do you find the value of x? So let's start with the solution. So on our solution, this one is what now we have. So we have 4 to the power of x is equals to 100. So the first thing that you need to do, we want to change 100 to the base of 4, which is impossible. Now we shall now have to use the log. So now we shall have now the log of 4 to the power of x is equals to the log of 100. So the log of 4 to the power of x can also be written as x log 4 is equals to the log of 100. So now from here now, we can now be able to remain with the x on this side by dividing both sides by the log of 4. Then also this side also we divide by the log of 4. So that the log of 4 and the log of 4 shall cancel. So now our x shall be equals to the log of 100 all over the log of 4. So we don't stop at that particular point. We can still be able to factorize the log of 100 by writing it further. So now we shall now have x is equals to the log of 4 multiplied by 25. Then you put into the bracket all over the log of 4. So from here now we proceed by now having to split this other side. So 4 multiplied by 25 is 100, so we have to write it this way. So now our x will be equals to, so here now we shall have the log of 4 all over the log of 4 because we are dividing each side by the log of 4. So now we shall have the log of 4 all over the log of 4. Then according to the law of logarithm, the multiplication sign shall now change to addition. So now we shall have plus the log of 25 all over the log of 4 here. So in that case now, we shall now say that our x now shall be equals to, so the log 4 and the log 4 shall cancel. So now we shall have x equals to 1 plus now we shall have the log of 25 all over the log of 4. Now, so here now we shall now say that our x is equals to 1 plus the log of 25 all over. So the log of 4 can also be written as log of 2 to the power of 2. So now we shall now have x is equals to 1 plus now we shall have the log of 25 all over. So the log of 2 to the power of 2 can also be written as 2 log 2. So our next step now we shall have, so we can simplify it and now say that now our x is equals to, so now we shall have 1 plus, so here now we shall have a half, then we shall now have the log of 25 all over the log of 2. So our final now we shall say now our x is equals to, so now we shall have, so before we find the value of x in this case, so I want us to note by now saying that suppose we have the log of a all over the log of b. In this case, this one can also be written as the log of a to the base of b. So I want us to express now the log of 25 all over the log of 2 into the form of log a to the base of b. So now we shall now say that our value for x here, so our value for x is equals to 1 plus a half, then log, so now we shall have log 25 to the base of 2. So this one now shall be our value for x. So we can check or confirm if this answer is really true. So let's now confirm it. So initially this one was the question that we had. So we had 4 to the power of x is equals to 100. So where there is the value of x, we want to put it with 1 plus a half log 25 to the base of 2. So now we shall have, so let's write everything in place of x. So now we shall have 4. So 4 to the power of 1 plus a half, then we have the log of 25 to the base of 2 is equals to 100. So this one can also be written as 2 to the power of 2, then this one to the power of 1 plus now a half the log of 25 to the base of 2 is equals to 100. So let's now work it out. So 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 1, this one we shall now have 4. So then 4, the addition now shall change to the multiplication. So here now we shall have a half the log of 25 to the base of 2. Now let's check this. So the log to the base of 2 shall cancel with this other 2. Then 2 here once, 2 into 2, now we shall have 1. So now we shall have 4 multiplied by 25. So 4 multiplied by 25 is equals to 100. So when you work out 4 multiplied by 25, we shall get 100 equivalent to 100. So it means that we are very correct when we now summarize that and say now that our value for x is equals to 1 plus a half, then the log of 25 to the base of 2. So if you really got that one as the correct answer, then you've worked it out in the correct way. So let's see your answers in the comment section. So if you really like how you've solved these math problems, please kindly subscribe to our channel and like the video. So let's stop there and see you in our next video.